corned beef croissant. Cinnamon. And what's the name? I forgot. Mango Danish. Oh, diba? Lots of choices here in the bakery. I'm ever forgetting I always forget this tart. That's my new favorite na. This is my new favorite of the month. The Makapuno tart. Actually, they also have the chocolates. Milk chocolate. Or calamansi. I'm not wearing my glasses kaya hirap na ako magbasa. Well, so eto. This is it, guys.